Hello all, welcome to this exciting journey of learning. Can development truly be meaningful if it does not sustain people, communities and environment together? It is this important question that forms the heart of our course, Sustainable Development and Kerala Development Model. I warmly welcome all learners to this multidisciplinary Malayalam MOOC course offered through SWAYAM platform. Kerala has often attracted global attention for achieving remarkable social development indicators. High literacy, improved healthcare, gender development and social participation together contributed to what came to be known as the Kerala model of development. Throughout this course, we will examine the principles of sustainable development and understand the interconnected relationship between social, economic and environmental dimensions of development. Another important component of this course is understanding of United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Whether you are a student of social sciences, economics, environmental studies, public policy, health sciences, management or any other discipline, this course will provide perspectives that are relevant to your academic, professional and personal life. I invite you to join this learning journey with curiosity, critical thinking and commitment. Thank you and I look forward to learning with you throughout this course.